Dear students, welcome to our mathematics class. Last day we discussed what are linear equation in two variable and what is the general equation or general form of the linear equation in two variable and how to find the solutions of linear equation in two variable. Then, what is the general form of the linear equation in two variable? Yes, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And how many solutions are there? It has infinitely many solutions in linear equation in two variable. In this session, we have to learn how to plot or represent these all infinite many solutions on the graph. That is, what is the graphical representation of linear equation in two variable. First of all, we have to discuss equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Before that, what is the equation of x-axis? You have learned in class 8 what is Cartesian plane or xy plane. It contains two perpendicular lines that are called axes. One is x-axis and the another one is y-axis. See the figure. Here the x-axis and y-axis intersect at one point. That point is known as origin. This origin has a coordinate. That coordinates is 0, 0. We will learn more about these coordinates in the chapter Coordinate Geometry in this year. Here we have 4 points. What are they? 1, 0, 2, 0, 4, 0 and minus 2, 0. These all points lie on the x-axis. That means all the y coordinate is 0 on the x-axis. So we can say the equation of the x-axis is y equal to 0. Similarly, we can find equations of y-axis. Here we have some points. What are the points? 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, minus 2 on the graph. So, all the points are lies in y-axis. So, x equal to 0 for all points in y-axis. Therefore, we can say that the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Now, let us discuss one problem. Draw the graph of x equal to 3. This x equal to 3 can be written as x plus 0 into y minus 3 equal to 0. Here we have no y coordinate. So we adjust with the 0 y. Okay. So x plus 0 into y minus 3 plus 3 transpose to left side. So positive 3 becomes negative 3. So 0 into y minus 3 equal to 0. So here we have to take any point on the place of y. Here we have 0, 1, 2 and minus 1. Put on y, you will get every time the value of x is 3. So we get the coordinates are 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, minus 1. X coordinate here all are 3 and the y coordinates are 0, 1, 2 and minus 1. And plot these all points on the graph. First point is 3, 0. Here the 3 is x coordinate, so this is on the x axis and 0 is also on the origin. So on the x axis we know 3, 0 is the point on the x axis. So 3, 0 here. The next point is 3, 1. Here the x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 1. Where is the 3? On the x axis. Where is 1? On the y axis. So what is the intersection of these 2 points? Here is the point. So 3, 1 is this point. And similarly 3, 2 and 3 minus 1 plot on the graph. After that, join these all points, you will get a straight line and it is parallel to the y-axis. Okay, that is x equal to 3 is line which is parallel to y-axis. The next problem, draw the graph of y equal to 2. Here y equal to 2 can be written as 0 into x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Here we have to substitute any value on the place of x and you will get y equal to 2 only. Here I am taking x equal to 0, 1, 2 and minus 1. In the place of x you will get y value is 2. So what are the coordinates? 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, minus 1, 2 are the 4 points. And these 4 points plot on the graph. So the first point is 0, 2. Where is 0, 2? Here 0 on the origin and 2 on the y-axis, because 0 is the x coordinate and 2 is the y coordinate. So where is 0, 2 lies? On the y-axis. Okay, 0, 2 and 1, 2. Here 1 is the x coordinate and 2 is the y coordinate. Where it is lie on the graph? Yes, 1 is on the x-axis and 2 is on the y-axis. So this is the intersection of these 2 points. So 1, 2 lies on this point. Then next point is 2, 2. Where is 2? On the x-axis and y coordinate is also 2 on the y-axis. So it is the intersection point is here 2, 2. The last point is minus 1, 2. Minus 1 is the x coordinate and 2 is the y coordinate. So minus 1 on the x-axis, 2 is on the y-axis. So here what is the intersection point? Here is the intersection point. Then join all these 4 points, you will get a straight line. It is parallel to x-axis. So y equal to 2 is line which is parallel to x-axis. Okay, we will discuss more problems in the next class. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.